gonna be adding the path, and we're gonna be making the turret actually shoot. So the first step is go into the bullet sprite, delete the dumb player. Yes, I did say that. Player doom. The start game, point towards mouse pointer, go away. Set there to 0, yes. Click on, so blah blah blah. All of that goes away. All of these custom to bullet, set there to nothing, go to 0 0. Not show. Put the show in the one I start as clone. Here you put a hide. In the enemy, everything is correct, but instead of pointing direction, pick random. You point in direction -90, and you make the set rotation style to left right. So in the AI scripts, that will be updating that first. The path you will draw together after this. This will be a long episode, by the way. So before the move on steps, get rid of that. Get rid of all of this actually first. Okay, so you put a switch costume, not an if, and you will need to make 2 new costumes. A costume, you'll copy and paste your costume for the enemy, and then you'll draw a big red square somewhere like in the middle, but like be on the left side of your enemy. I'll choose like, I don't know, here perhaps would do good. Yeah. Okay. And now delete the enemy costume. And then you make another new costume. You still paste the enemy in. And now you make a blue square on the right side of the enemy. Can be higher or lower, but I prefer middle. Now you select the whole enemy, delete. I made the squares not really same size and same place, but doesn't really matter. Wait, I just want to see the rotation real quick. Yeah, I don't really know if this will work or not, because my enemy is not in the middle. So I need to grab all of this, put it in the middle. Make sure it snaps in the middle. Now paste it again. Snap it in the middle, back it. So now you actually need to sit sideways. It'll be a lot easier. Yeah, you just redo what you just did. Although make sure the enemy is in the middle now. Just because the rotating will be easier. But I don't really remember how to do these coding stuff. It's way too far apart. Actually, I'll just copy this, paste it, make it blue, make a new square, copy all of that, flip horizontal, delete the square. Now it's aligned. Probably just like just now, but make it like higher up, because when the enemy is moving, it go like towards the up. So you switch costume to costume 1, I think. Right? Yeah. Costume 1. And if you're touching the path, actually we make a new sprite. Path. Now you just create a path. Yeah, I'll just create a simple path for now, because I don't really know what to do yet. Yeah, that'll be a simple path. Make sure the sprite is at X and Y 0, 0. And when I receive start game, we'll make it go to the back layer, show, and go to 0, 0. Okay, that works. Now for the enemy, here, yes. If touching the path, and just copy the path and put it in the backdrop. Now I'll make the path as thin as possible. Okay. Then the enemy, if touching the path, actually this is way too thin. Sorry. I'm just trying to find out the greatest way. If touching the path, then you'll turn left by 15 degrees. You'll copy all of that, but switch costume to costume 2 and turn right 15 degrees. That should still work, I think. Let's see if it works. No, it does not work at all. Goes like that. Oh, I made a big issue. You copy back the enemy, you put it, and right in front of the enemy, above it, in front of it, and a little, like at its nose or something, put the block. I'll just copy this. Here, copy the enemy. Go here, because it's a floating enemy. Because this enemy flies. But my enemy. Now it should work. Yeah. Did I mess this up? No, it's literally. Make sure that you stop the thing. Set the rotation style to all round here. And then here at the bottom, after all the switch costumes and stuff, then you switch it to left, right. Please remember to do that. I'm very sorry. Now it should work. Go, enemies. Follow the path. Good job, enemies. Yes, enemies. Yes, they're following the path. By the way, switch costume to costume 1 and then you turn right 15. Costume 2, left 15 degrees. Okay, I'm sorry, I got that wrong. Now up here, instead of going to a random position, show the enemy, switch the costume to that. Make sure it's pointing direction 90. D1. You put it at the start of the thing, and then you put the go to at the XY. Now I wanted to do the turrets here. I think all I can do now is make the turrets clone now, because this is already a long episode, I feel like. I feel like it's already been a while, but let's just do it for now. Let's see if the enemy is still cloned. Oh, it's not at negative. It's not at 90. Now, yes, okay, now it works. Actually, make it wait 2 seconds. Have space so I can see the fire coming from the thrusters at the enemies. Just because okay. Now I want you to create with me. Actually, no, that's for the enemy shooting and stuff. Yeah, that'll be like a 20-minute video if we do that, or 30. I don't know how much minutes it's been, but let's just create a turret. For now, let's go to the tower defense game assets. Have a link in the description. You drag the turret sprite into your backpack like normal. If you guys have been following the tutorial, then yes, you know what I'm saying. And you drag it into your game, and then you delete it from your backpack. This turret has a minigun body, a minigun, and a minigun eyes. The eyes for the miniguns. For now, we'll just start by making it point in the real direction. Okay. You make it point in direction left, right, if you want. So when I say start game, set rotation style left, right. Actually, yeah, no need. Can be all around. Okay, point in direction 90 for now. Is that 300? No, that's okay. So set size to 300, or the suitable size for your turret if you're not following the turret sprite that I have. If you're like making your own turret sprite, you can, do that. And for now, when this sprite click, actually you make a new variable for this sprite only. Make sure it's for this sprite only, and you do turret type. For this sprite only, set turret type to nothing. Now, when this sprite clicked, if the turret type equals to nothing, which is the original sprite, then you create clone of myself. And when I start this clone, you first you set the turret type to, is that right? Yes, maybe that. And now for now, before we add the actual shooting and aiming, we don't need the minigun, and we don't need the gun and the eyes yet. We only need the body. So you switch costume to your body, minigun body, and then for now, let's do put a repeat until not mouse down, and you go to the mouse pointer. When it's done, it'll just paste. Let's do that yet. Actually, instead of when the sprite glitch forever, if put the end, mouse down, touching mouse pointer, then you wait until not until mouse down and not touching the mouse pointer. So that'll be exactly the same, but for mobile it's a lot more easier. For now, that's it for the tutorial for now. So I think it's been like 14 minutes or something. So let's just draw the background first. So the path is in the background already. First of all, you make a big square, no outline, no color at all. Just the empty square. That'll fix like the weird twitching thing. Because just now it looked like there was like a cut and weird stuff on the path. So this will make your path look a lot better. Anyways, now yeah, let's draw the thing. First, I want a green scenery. Yeah, I'll make it go to the back layer. Do that. Now, let's make some grass. Make a darker green thing. And I'll use the shape tool. And I'll just make some grass and you guys can watch and follow along if you want. That one looked better. Now we make it smaller, copy it. Now we just, oopsies. Now we just put it everywhere. Oops. Yeah, you just put it everywhere until you like it. That corner. Middle of that. And oops. And then now let's make another thing, which will be a tree. Yeah, let's make a tree together, shall we? So now we'll do this. Now just draw a little. Yeah, that looks okay, I guess. Yeah, that really looks like 2 eyes and 2 mouths. One happy, one sad. But that's the background that we did together. Next episode. Next episode we'll do all the shooting and stuff. And for now, bye.